Hi there, my name is Jessica and we'll be walking through IntakeQ's forms over the next few minutes to help give you a better understanding of who we are and how we can help your practice. IntakeQ's forms help remove the paper process in your office. You can have patients receive intake forms ahead of their appointment, where they can fill them out on a smartphone, tablet, or computer instead of taking up valuable visit time or forgetting printed forms at home. IntakeQ is HIPAA compliant, so your client's private health information is always secure. There are a few steps to getting started. First, getting your forms into the system. You're able to build your forms yourself using our easy-to-use form builder, which also lets you edit your forms at any time. We also have standardized forms for a variety of practices, which are available to you in your account. These are fully editable like any other form. We can also convert your forms for you. It's a small fee that will save you time while digitizing your practice. You can upload your forms directly to the site to receive a quote on conversion and turnaround time, which is typically a couple of business days. Once converted, your forms will be turned into a questionnaire, legal consent form, or a treatment note template that practitioners fill out during a client's journey to track their progress. The next step is getting your forms to your patients. You can send them via email or SMS using the Send Form button on the main dashboard. You can link the forms on your website using a URL we generate, or you can have them on an office use device like an iPad for your clients to fill out in person. Your clients will receive an email invitation, and if you have a business level email account, they can even appear as coming right from your email. They're given a generated password they can copy and paste to begin their form. Their answers save as they go, so if they aren't able to complete their form in one sitting, they can come back using the same password and finish where they left off. They won't be able to submit their form until they complete all fields you wish to make required. Forms can even be sent together in a package. Most often, this is a questionnaire with any number of legal documents they may need to sign for treatment. We also support the upload of files, so if you need a photo of a client's ID or insurance card, they can do so without leaving their form. Mobile devices also allow for a photo to be taken if they don't currently have a saved image. Additionally, the system will send them a reminder if they don't complete their form after a couple of days. The final big step is managing your forms. When a form is complete, you'll receive a notification within the site and by email if you'd like. You'll be able to open, review, and even make notes on the form. If the form requires your sign-off, you can also sign at this time. Your forms are never deleted from the site while you have an account. However, you can download, print, or securely share the forms anytime you need to. Each client has a virtual folder you can pull up using the spyglass at the top bar to see every form or note tied to them within IntakeQ, or by using our list dropdowns, which give you access to searchable lists of your clients and their forms. The last small steps before being ready are to set up your custom header to make your forms more personalized, which can be done by going to More Settings and enabling your header. Then finalizing your main account details, heading to More, Account. Try adopting a signature so you can click to sign your notes. And lastly, obtain a signed BAA for your account. You're ready to start your IntakeQ account. Feel free to email us with any help you may need while getting started, hello@intakeq.com, or sign up for a more in-depth demonstration. We're here to help you go digital.